All right, we're going to show you how to use the Alpaca Markets API to place a good till canceled market buy order. So we're going to do it for eBay. So we'll check eBay right now, 67.11. The market is open right now, so we should be good to place this once we go ahead and get the code. So let's go to the API documentation here, come to the API reference, and we will come to orders, and then we just have to fill in some of the parameters. Now, if you don't have your key and your secret key, you can always come grab them, and you can regenerate. Just know that any code that you have prior, you'll have to replace the keys if you already have them hard-coded in there. That's why it's always a good idea to store these somewhere safe, but you can regenerate at any time. We are going to do this for Python, and what we'll do is first type in the ticker. So we're doing it for eBay. We'll just do 10 shares of eBay, and we want the buy. We're going to do a market order, and then the time and force. This is where we can select good till canceled. So more than likely, you probably won't be utilizing this good till cancel market order. I mean, that just means it'll execute market order until you cancel it. Most market orders are able to be executed pretty quickly unless you're doing a very large quantity, or maybe if you're trying to get it in at the end of the day, and there's low volume, it for whatever reason can't get filled. Maybe you want to do this so that it fills instantly the next day. But this is just, for the most part, for example purposes, how to get this set up. And then that should be good there. We can go ahead and copy this request, come over to a Jupyter notebook here and get that pasted in. I always like to import JSON so that the return message, when we do json.loads, is organized a little bit better. Shift enter to run that. Looks like it ran for eBay, quantity of 10, buy to open, and good till canceled is the time and force. So if we come back over to our dashboard, we should see that the eBay was filled a few seconds ago at 67.13 and a half.